Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created this beautiful floral hanging decoration for my birthday right in the comfort of my living room. So I wanted something very affordable, something fun, but still very elegant, and this is what I did. So I got a hold of some artificial flowers, fishing line. You can get any size you want. You can make use of a needle and thread if you have one, but I was running out of time, so I decided to make use of a hot glue gun, which was way faster. So all I did was, attach the flowers one by one onto the fishing line with a spacing of 8 inches or 8 centimeters. 8 inches, I think, and creating strands that looks like they are floating when you hang them. So once the strands were ready, I tied them onto another fishing line across my ceiling, and that gave me this gorgeous hanging flower effect. Guys, what do you think about this, guys? How do you think it looks? I think it looks so gorgeous. I think it turned my space into a mini magical wonderland. And there you have it, guys. It's as simple as ABC. To add a little extra pop, I decided to also decorate my curtains, my wine glasses, with these mini bowls that I made earlier in the day. After that, I added some balloons to my ceilings, attached ribbons at the tip of the balloons, and they turned out so beautiful. I styled my table with this pink fur material. I set up my table to my taste. Like I said before, I added the bowls to my wine glasses just to give it this girlish look. So I just used what I had at home to decorate my table, my DIY flowers. If you've not watched the video on how I made that flowers, please go check it out. My cake, which was also pink. I got some wines from my husband's, wine cellar, which we did never end up using, but just to beautify the space, the table. We got that, and look at how everything is looking so beautiful, so gorgeous. I was, radiant, looking like I'm in my own wonderland. The whole setup transformed my space into something magical. And it honestly felt like I was celebrating in my own little party wonderland. So guys, if you're planning a birthday, a cozy party, or even just want to glam up your space on a budget, this is such a fun and easy idea. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share if you enjoyed this DIY. So I'm just going to keep quiet so you guys can, listen to some of the things that happened at my, party. Yeah. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye bye. Bye bye. This one did a chop cake. I love you. Come on, carry him. Is that good blue? Yes, we follow me. Yeah, we're doing close. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I eat that. Put it in your hands now. Plenty. You put in your own hand. Plenty. Stand the other side close to the. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. All of you, blow. It's time. Let's play. Is that how plenty you want? Oh yeah. All right. Did you even show?
now?
Yes.
So what happened now? The thing never come out. My own did never come out. It's still here. It's just come out the whole cake.
This is a top cake.
No. But is it fine?
If I were you, I would watch what you're saying to me. Cause everybody play the victim till somebody gets vindictive. Then it's cruel that you're acting the cute and naive. Cause society will take your side for sure. So I guess it's up to me to stand up and sit your attitude down. Then I guess you'll finally see the devil in the mirror that you are. Driving in octane. It's a pity that you turned your back when we needed you the most.